Hi friends, welcome to Kalpana's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you a completely different recipe. This recipe is mainly for those who are diet conscious and would like to avoid carbs in their daily meals. Okay, like rice and chapati and all. So instead of rice, those who are very fond of rice and you cannot stay without rice, what do? A substitute for that. So today's recipe is all about cauliflower rice. Now cauliflower rice is because the preparation will be like rice, but I will not be using rice. This is a cauliflower. Okay, so one cauliflower I've taken. It's nearly 400 to 500 grams. I've taken 3 cloves of garlic, 1 onion. Then I'll be using pure ghee here. You can use butter instead of this. Pepper and salt. These are the ingredients. First thing what you do is put some salt in this water and you when you go and purchase a cauliflower, see if it's all full. Okay, and see the leaves are nice and green, so it's a fresh one. So cut it here first. Okay, this is all to be distributed. Now you can just with your hand. Now why do I soak this in salt water? So that if there are any small insects or anything, they'll be killed. Okay, safe. Fine, so all the flowers I put in this water. This is one step. Now I'll chop the onion as usual. The garlic I will chop it fine, and this cauliflower I'll be either grating it. This is a grater, or I'll be what is this called? Chopper. Okay, vegetable chopper. We have to get fine. We have to get fine like rice, like appearance of this cauliflower. Okay. Okay, I've decided to use the chopper today instead of the grater. I'll take a few at a time so that you get the. Yeah, keep adding. Okay, I'll take approximately 1 tablespoon of pure ghee here. If you don't have pure ghee, you can use butter. Okay, then add this garlic. I've just taken 3 pods of garlic and onion. I'll saute this for a little while. In the meantime, I would like to show you this cauliflower. You can see it is like a rice grains. It should be this fine. Okay, the onion and garlic is being fried here. Onions look transparent, and then you can add your cauliflower. Fine. Getting that garlic aroma. Now I will add this cauliflower. Salt as per taste. And and black pepper, freshly grated black pepper. Right? Okay, salt, black pepper. Now I will just sprinkle just a little water. Just that's it. Okay. Now I will close the lid and let this cook on slow flame. I will not add any water. It's on so slow flame here. Say for some 15 minutes I will keep it on slow flame. Okay, I've kept this cauliflower rice on the flame for the last 10-15 minutes. We'll just check now. I can see steam coming out from here. Wow, it's ready. See? Cauliflower rice is ready. You can serve it now. I'll put off the flame. Okay, now let's do the plating. Wow, look at this rice. Can you see this? Yummy rice, isn't it? And there's just pepper I've used. There's no spice or anything. Wow, cauliflower rice is all there for you, ready. Let me taste. Yummy. It tastes as if you made some nice rice pulao. Oh my god, it's just super. Yes, friends, do try this cauliflower rice at home. Sorry, let me finish eating. It's just yummy. Really, it's really tasty. Tasty, and you feel as if you're eating pulao. Okay, friends, if you like this recipe, do try this. If you have any queries, I'd like feedback from you. And the benefits of preparing this cauliflower instead of rice, please go on Google, because I cannot tell you all the details here now. I just shown you how to prepare cauliflower rice. For the benefits of using cauliflower instead of rice, please take the help of Google search and you will find all the benefits. But I'm telling you, it's most healthy and yummy recipe to try and enjoy. Friends, if you like this recipe, do not forget to press the button like. Share this with your friends so they stay happy and healthy. And yes, friends, don't forget to subscribe. You know, subscription is free. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.